Hello, I'm Charlen Raymond, and for the past 3 months the Car Magazine team had an opportunity to drive the new Toyota Corolla 1.8 XR Hybrid on an extended test. It's been fun, but what we particularly found interesting is that this might just be the finest iteration of the Corolla yet. Here's why. So there's not a lot distinguishing the hybrid model from the rest of the Corolla range, but there are a couple of hints and suggestions that this is a different model. For instance, you have hybrid badges. The Toyota badge has blue around it, and then when you move over to the lights you will see that the J-shaped design is a lot bigger than before. So because this is the hybrid model, the car rides on 16-inch alloy wheels shot with 205/55 rubber. This is interesting because the 2-liter models ride on 18 inches, but the benefit of the 16 inches is that there's a full-size spare wheel in the boot and not the space saver that you find in the 2-liter models. Our test car is finished off in cinnabar red, which I think is the pick of the color palette. Moving to the inside, Toyota really made sure that this Corolla Hybrid's interior is kitted with the best possible technologies and features. A wireless smartphone charger is standard across the range, and 4 USB and USB-C ports are found in the cabin. The Corolla XR Hybrid is also kitted with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0. This suite of safety technologies includes pre-collision warning, adaptive cruise control and lane trace assist. Blind spot monitoring with rear cross traffic alert and safe exit assist are standard on the XR grade. What I found particularly interesting on this Corolla XR Hybrid is the lack of power adjustment on the passenger seat. Both front seats do have heating available, but I personally would have liked the benefit of power adjustment for the front passenger seat as well. Maybe I'm just nitpicking, but it's just something that I picked up. Though 570,200 Rand may seem a bit steep, the Corolla XR is one of the more affordable hybrids on sale in South Africa today. It comes in at a very competitive price point, making it hard to ignore for those seeking a fuel-efficient family car. So because this is the Corolla XR Hybrid, it's fair to assume that this car is fuel efficient, and you would not be wrong for thinking that. So after almost 4,000 kilometers, our average fuel consumption, according to the onboard computer, stands at 4.8 liters to the 100 kilometers. 4.8 liters is a very good number, and we think it's probably as magical as it's going to get. Powering this Corolla is a 1.8 litre petrol engine that's mated with a lithium-ion battery. Overall, we can't complain about the Corolla's ride quality. It's been an engaging experience. It's been fun to drive. Obviously, one of the biggest, let's say, call it hurdles, is the continuously variable transmission, or CVT as it's more commonly known. It took some time to extract the best out of the gearbox in terms of not chasing it up the rev range and having it squeal like a pig at slaughter, but we eventually managed, or I managed to get the sweet spot, and I've managed to feather the throttle quite a bit. Anyways, I'm not advocating for CVT gearboxes. I'm still not a fan, but I've managed to figure this one out in a Corolla XR Hybrid sedan. I would have preferred a normal automatic gearbox now. In all, the Toyota Corolla XR Hybrid sedan is a very hard to ignore car, even if it does compete in a slowly declining segment. Regardless, the king resides.